Hi, we'll be solving a sequence problem today. So there's a sequence where the nth term is the average or the arithmetic mean of the first n minus 1 terms for n greater than equal to 3. That means the nth term of any sequence is equal to average of all the previous terms, right? So all the previous n minus 1 terms. If the second term in the sequence is 7, so let's say A2 is equal to 7, and the sixth term in the sequence is 4, that means A6 is equal to 4. What is the first term of the sequence? So we need to find the first term, or we need to find the value of A1. Now, if you have to write A6 in terms of what they have given as the definition, right? So A6 can be written as the average of all the previous terms, right? So A5 plus A4 plus A3 plus A2 plus A1 divided by 5. If you take 5 to this side, so we can write A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 as equal to 5 times A6. Following this pattern, if we have to write the value of A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, we can very well write this as equal to 4 times A5. Why 4 times? Because here also, if you see, all these values are actually equal to 5 times A6. This number is 1 less than this. So if you have to add A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, this will be equal to 4 times A5 plus A5 is equal to 5 times A6, or 5 times A5 is equal to 5 times A6, or A5 is equal to A6. Let's do similar thing for A5. So A5 can be written as A4 plus A3 plus A2 plus A1 divided by 4. That means A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 is equal to 4 times A5. A1 plus A2 plus A3 can be written as 3 times A4 plus A4 is equal to 4 times A5, or that means 4 times A4 is equal to 4 times A5, or A4 is equal to A5. Similar pattern can be followed, and we can easily say that A3 is also equal to A4. That means A3 is equal to A4 is equal to A5 is equal to A6 and is equal to 4. And A3 is equal to A2 plus A1 divided by 2. So that means 4 is equal to 7 plus A1 by 2, or A1 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 7, or 8 minus 7, or is equal to 1. So answer will be option number A. Now, if you want to master the concepts, both theory and problems for sequence, do check out the theory video and the playlist provided in the description of this video. Hope you found the video useful, and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.